making cheesesteak burritos on the Blackstone. Let's get it. First, we're gonna start with some BaconUp. I'm gonna put on some bell peppers and some onions.
And I have some finely shaved ribeye.
I'm gonna put on some garlic and herb seasoning.
And then I'm gonna do some Lane's barbecue brisket seasoning. Now we're just gonna mix it all up. We're on medium-low heat on both sides right now. On the vegetables, I'm gonna add some water so they'll steam and get them under a dome. This just helps soften them up a little bit faster. If you're wondering about these fans, they keep the flies away from the prep area. So they're just a battery-powered fan, just spins around and it shoos all the flies away. You can find the fans and all the tools that I'm using today in my Amazon storefront. Just go to my bio and click the link at the top. When I'm cooking with raw meat, you'll see me leave my spatulas flat on the griddle sometimes, and that just kills any bacteria that might be on the spatulas. I turn these up to medium heat just to get a little bit of char on them. All right, my meat is done. I'm gonna take off a little bit. Make 2 piles for my daughters. They don't eat much, but they don't like the onions and peppers mixed in. And I'm gonna lay down a piece of provolone on theirs and get a dome over it to melt. It will melt faster if you squirt a little water under there. All right, with the rest of this, I'm going to mix it all together. I'm only going to take about half of these vegetables because we got so many. I'm going to lay down some provolone on here. Just let that provolone melt while we get these vegetables off. And I'm also going to add some mayonnaise in there. All right, now that it's all mixed, I turn the burners off. And we're going to build our burritos right here. Scoop that right into the middle of our large tortilla. We're going to give it a little roll over, fold, fold, and roll it up and get it back on the grill. Toast it on each side. A storm's blowing in, so we're trying to move fast here. Here's what you're looking for. Beautiful burritos.
It's time for that first bite.
So good. What do you think? Delicious? Let's eat, y'all. All right, we just finished eating and it was decided that these are better than the cheesesteaks when we put them on bread. So this is gonna be our go-to way from now on. Definitely check it out. If you enjoyed this video, you're gonna love the rest, and you can get started by clicking that one at the top of the screen. I would also be honored if you would subscribe to my channel by clicking the button at the bottom.